Alright guys, I got a 2003 Toyota Corolla. AC did not work. Customer complaint, no AC at all. Hot air, he's getting hot air in the dash. Alright, so what I did was, what I checked out was, anytime I get a car, I go straight into the fuse box. This is a 03 Corolla, this is the fuse box right here. You push on this little guy, this opens up. Right here is a relay, alright? Right there is a relay. You pull this out, you put another relay in, and most likely your AC is gonna kick in, alright? Because 99% of the time, it's usually a relay. I came across so many of these, alright? If you look right there, it says MG clutch, right? Magnet clutch, right in the top. That relay, my light is reflecting way too much, alright? So, looking at the diagram on the setup on the box, this is the relay, alright? So what was going on was his AC compressor was not engaging, alright? You have a wire coming up right here. This is one wire in here. You could grab a test light and check if there's power into this wire right here, right? Put it on the ground, on the battery, or somewhere on the ground on the body chassis, and have somebody put the AC on, and you back probe this wire. If you can reach down there, be careful. The belt, dangerous, guys. And if you are not getting no power in here, pretty much your system is not engaging. System needs a pressure, right? There has to be pressure in these AC lines, right? So what you can do is, all I did was I took this knob off, and I took this little cotter pin I had, and I pushed it. You see that? I saw white smoke come out. Pretty much this has pressure, right? Sometimes it's air pressure. Doesn't matter. If it has air pressure, it's alright. The AC still should kick in, alright? So you also have a very simple, right in front of you looking at the AC pressure switch. If you need to replace it, replace it. There's so much thing going on here. If it was a 2-pin connector, you could have jumped it just to confirm it. Even if the pressure was out, you could have pushed it. Because all this does is it checks the pressure. If there's pressure, it's going to let the computer, your AC amp or the module, whatever your car has, turn on the AC. If there's no pressure, it's not gonna give no signal. So pretty much the circuit is gonna be dead, alright? So if you have pressure, your AC should kick in. If you have no power there, AC does not kick in. Sometimes your fans will come on, but the AC compressor will not come on. That's pretty much indication your relay is probably bad, alright? So check these things, guys. Real simple. I fixed this car in 5 minutes, alright? All I did was I tap on that little guy, I push on that valve, and that's it. I confirmed the problem. I put a used relay in here. I pull out this relay, put another relay in there, use one. I have a whole box full of relays over there. Alright? But I'm gonna order another relay, and I'm gonna swap it for the customer for a brand new one. This is just a test, but it works. The AC works now. And anyways, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like all my videos. If you guys have any problem with any Toyotas, Hondas, or Acuras AC issues, send me a message, alright? But it's alright, guys. It could be any other repair, check engine. If you have code, just send me a message, alright? Bye-bye.